Hey everybody, I'm Georgette.
And I'm William. We're gonna go Dino USA. Is it Dino USA or is it Dinoland USA?
It says thank you for visiting Dinoland USA Discovery Island. So
we're gonna discover every inch of it. And we're gonna eat some food because I'm starving.
Yeah, today we're gonna be hanging out in Dinoland USA. We're gonna take you through all the rides, all the quick service locations, the restaurants. We're gonna talk about some rumors that have been going around for quite a while now. We're gonna talk about all the Disney news that has come out and just have a really fun day in this part of Animal Kingdom.
Stay till then.
So Disney has come out with a bunch of news lately. Something I'm really excited about is the concert lineup for the Eat to the Beat series. I will definitely be there September 29th through October 2nd because that's when Boyz II Men is coming. We got the buffalo chicken chips. This is what they look like. We're gonna try them now. I've never had them before. We got this at Trillo Bites. Hopefully I'm saying that right, but this is our first of many snacks today. We're gonna ride some rides and tell you everything that's happening here at Animal Kingdom.
See what happens? And I never get anything on the chip.
Well, I had stuff on my chip, but then it all fell off. We are professionals.
I'm not good at this. The chips almost look like banana chips. Like plátanos, plantains, deep fried. It almost tastes like it too.
I think everything tastes like plantains to him because tomorrow we're going to Puerto Rico and we're going to take you along with us. So if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can see all these videos. And just for the record, these are barbecue chips, not plantains. For me, I thought it was a really good snack. I probably should have paid a little better attention because I really don't like blue cheese, so I had to kind of pick around it, so that was a little inconvenient, but that was totally my fault. Overall, it was really, really good. Even the little pieces of blue cheese I did get, they weren't terrible. It's just not really something I like, but overall, it was really good. I would definitely get it again.
So I thought the chips were really good. I like the texture and the crunch. It was really good. The chicken was, chicken. Tastes good. It had just enough buffalo sauce, and I like the blue cheese. Probably
we got the rights near here, so
the one thing you might want to consider is the messy scale. It's about a 4 napkin. You're gonna need at least 4 napkins each because sometimes it's hard to balance that chicken on that little tortilla chip, and sometimes right before it gets to your mouth, it falls.
So the boneyard that you see behind me, it is actually closed for refurbishment. Blah, 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 blah.
So we got ourselves a dino ice cream sandwich. Look at that. That looks delicious. I think that's a cookie. Is that a sugar cookie? I think it's a sugar cookie. Big old flap of ice cream and chocolate sprinkles all the way around. It looks delicious. It looks like this dirt with some bones. I'm gonna eat me some dirt. It's cut in half. That is really good.
you are truly.
It's a sugar cookie, ice cream, and chocolate, and it's dripping everywhere. It's delicious. The sugar cookie sets it off. The dirt is like a crumble, cookie crumble, delicious.
For me, I don't really like ice cream, but it's okay. The cookie's soft, the ice cream's not too sweet. It's a pretty decent snack. I think it's a little overpriced. I believe it was like $7.50. So for me, that's a little overpriced, but if you're gonna share it with one other person, you could definitely do that. So that makes it a little more worth getting. But for me, it's just okay. Okay, so we're gonna head in to ride our first ride of the day. So what better ride to start out with than Dinosaur? And there's not really a whole lot of rides in this section of the park, so we're gonna start with a bang.
This is gonna be the best one.
Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll. What are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Brace yourself! This is it!
Okay, so we got off Dinosaur. I forgot how bumpy that ride is. It's really good. It's kind of hard to film, so I really don't think the footage will be that great, but it was bumpy and fun and scary and kind of smelled like s'mores a little bit.
Bumpy, yeah. The ride jerks you around a lot. So for adults, if you have a bad back, the whole ride is going to be jerking you around. So you got to brace yourself. For kids, it's very dark, scary. So it's built. I think it's made for more of like ages 12 to like 27, 28. Then as you start pulling up in the years.
Some other really exciting news is that starting in January 2024, cast members and annual pass holders will not need reservations on what Disney is calling good to go days. Now those days are going to vary, and all of the blackout dates and capacity limitations are still going to apply, but I'm super excited to see those good to go dates, and we won't need a reservation for those days starting at the beginning of next year. What do you think about that?
That's awesome. I can't wait. I love walking 8 miles every time I come here.
Something I'm really excited about that's coming back in 2024 is the Disney dining plan. I have to be honest, when my kids were little, we didn't really use it, but it is coming back in 2024. That's going to be for the resort guests. The official date is January 9th of 2024. But of course, make sure you are checking out the My Disney Experience app for all the updates, because those dates are always subject to change.
Now with the Disney dining plan, you have to make sure you really plan out those meals. So that way you're getting the maximum benefit when it comes to using that. Because if you leave anything on the floor and you don't use it, you're wasting your money on that. I think that was one of the main reasons why we didn't use it.
Just shout it out loud.
Yeah.
Minus to just spend the money yourself and just do it that way.
So we're getting ready to ride my favorite ride over here in Dinorama, the Triceratops Spin. You ready?
There's no wiggle room.
For me, you can't really go wrong with Triceratops Spins. I think it's a fun ride, kind of like Dumbo over Magic Kingdom, but I like it.
I like that you can see everything in Dinoland. All from one spot. I like when it drops, because you get to control the up and down. You get that free fall feeling. I like that feeling.
There it goes behind us. It's
Kids,
so cute.
Kids will love it.
Yeah. This series is all about rides and rumors, and let's talk about the rumors that have been going on about Dinoland USA for quite some time now. So there are two major rumors surrounding this area and the possibility that it might be going away very soon. So the first rumor is that Moana is coming. And you know what's really interesting about that is Moana actually has a meet and greet set up right in front of Dinoland USA. Is she scoping out her new real estate?
I'm gonna start my own rumor. This is gonna become Zootopia. All this area is gonna become Zootopia.
Somebody already started that rumor.
Alright, I'm gonna start a different rumor then. It's gonna become Jurassic Park. Oh wait, that's Universal. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go look at Disney Plus.
What do you think is going to happen over here at Dinoland USA? I don't know what's going to happen over here at Dinoland USA. Let me be very clear. Everything is a rumor. Nothing is set in stone. Some things have been speculated. It was brought up in D23 and then you didn't really hear anything about it anymore. So we really just don't know what's coming. I really like this section of the park. I would be sad to see it go away. But I wouldn't be too mad to see Zootopia or Moana. But this is some prime real estate back here, and it's a great place to come and just hang out with your family.
This is going to become Ice Age. This whole area right here. That's what it's going to be. That's the new rumor. Ice Age. They'll leave some stuff. They'll change in other stuff. It saves a lot of money in the budget. It just makes sense. Don't you agree? Just they gotta make little slight changes. You know? That'd be awesome. Ice Age.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Enough rumors. Let's go see what else Dinoland USA has to offer.
What about Pumbaa and Timon? So Pumbaa is $20. If you buy a box of popcorn, it's only $7. So it comes with Pumbaa. So it's like buying popcorn and getting Timon over here for only $13. Then if you buy Timon is $19.99 and a soda's $5, but you get the soda for free. So it's like getting Timon for $15. That's a really good deal.
So some other big news that came out with Disney recently is that they are working really hard to make Genie Plus easier for you. Maybe we should do a series on Genie Plus when that does happen. Right now, there's not a whole lot of details. They're just saying that they're working really hard to make it easier, and you should be able to choose lightning lanes before the day of your visit, which is something I really think they need to work on. So we'll see, and we'll definitely keep you updated in a future Rides and Rumors video. So make sure you like and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can be updated to all of our latest videos. So, you know, we were talking about rumors and what potentially could be coming over here, but you know, I just thought of something.
What?
So, Dinoland USA kind of looks like a parking lot. There's parts of the park, there's parts of this section of the park that look like a road. So,
see the lines?
Yeah, the lines behind us, so it looks like we're standing on a road. Inside the carnival area, there's actually parking spots. So, wouldn't that make sense for Zootopia? Because they're in the city, Zootopia. There's already the road and the parking lot. No?
Sure. We'll start another rumor.
Just to be clear, we are not here to start rumors.
Yes, we are.
We are not.
Believe everything we're telling you.
They're just rumors. We're standing in front of the boneyard right now, which is currently under... We're standing in front of the boneyard right now, which is currently under reservation.
The music gets messy. Take 3.
We are currently standing in front of the boneyard, which is under renovations from now until June the 12th. So if you're coming to Animal Kingdom, just keep that in mind. Boneyard is under reservation. The official dates were May 1st through June 12th. And to be honest, it doesn't look like they're really doing anything in there, but we'll see.
still go to the dig site though.
Yeah, you can still go to the dig site, and that's really a cool place to go also.
They also have like buckets and sand, you know, so that way you could brush off the bones, load the sand up in the buckets, and then dump it off somewhere else, or just stack them and then kick them down. That's the kid.
And probably what our kids did when they were little. Remember, they really like these places.
Sand gets everywhere, but it's not the thin sand. It's real thick, coarse sand, so it's easy to clean off. It's really fun for the kids. It's in the shade. It's fans everywhere. You're outside, but it's still cool. It's a good place to stop. Get yourself an ice cream sandwich. Eat it in there. Blah 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 blah.
That's going to be it for us today here at Animal Kingdom, more specifically Dinoland USA. Thank you for hanging out with us as we talked about Disney news, all the rumors that are going around, eating snacks, riding rides. It was a really fun afternoon. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all things Disney.
Hit that bell notification.
Until next time.
Bye.